Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to use our accumulated knowledge to create a script which is going to be called 8, and basically it is going to take all the ports that we have on our system or routers and shut down everything except the one we are using to disable or to connect to that specific router. So what do we need for that? First and foremost, we need to import the init Nornir. What we also need is the Nornir.plugins.tasks.txt import template files, and from Nornir.plugins.functions.text we import the print result, and from the Nornir.plugins.tasks we import the command. So first we will create our Nornir object, so init Nornir, and the config file will come from the config.yaml. And what we would also like to do is to filter down to our hosts, where the site is home and the role is Cisco. And basically we would like to gather the facts, and first we would like to have the fact result here on the screen. So python 8.py, and it cannot import that one. Why cannot it import it? Yeah, sorry. This is not the command, but the networking. Great. Now, what we would like to do is to make sure that this is also called hosts. So we will have this information. So in order to get here, what we would like to do is to verify via the console. So let me just get the head of the 8 script that we have created, and here we would like to copy paste these commands and see what's inside the fact results and how we can refer to a specific list of interfaces. Yeah. So this is kind of a deeper dive into Nornir as well. So we have our hosts, and we would like to gather the facts. Great. So now, if everything goes well, we are able to inspect the fact result response. So fact result, and we can check the keys. So the keys identify which host produced which output based on the actions that you have performed. And if we say that we would like to have the first one, then we need to refer to it as its name, so DC1. And here what we can do is to specify the first element, which is the napalm get, and we can say that we are interested in the result. So the result says that we have a key which is interfaces, and why don't I see it here? Yeah, interface list. What? Let's check the keys. Facts. And now we have the interface list. Let's check the keys. Interface list. Great. So now we know what's in our interfaces. So basically what we can tell to our script is to produce a list of interfaces and exclude the fast Ethernet 0/0. This is going to work because both of the routers have the same interfaces on them. So let's say we call it int list. And this is equal to our interface list. And what we would like to do is to generate a configuration. And in order to do that, we need to create a Jinja file. So let's create it, J2. Jinja is a templating engine, which is really powerful. So we would like to have a title. And we will say that we iterate over each and every interface in the interfaces. And we simply say at the end that this is the end for. And in between, we will say that this is the interface. And we would like to assign the shutdown command. Great. Now we can go back to our 8 script and say that we would like to use the template file. So hosts result is equal to hosts.run template file, and we say that the template that we are using is the Jin J2. The folder or the path for the template folder is the current folder, and we say that the interfaces are coming from the int underscore list, and the title is the shutdown interfaces. Great. So now we should be able to print this result if everything goes well. Let's hope so. Missing one required positional argument. Template. It's not the template. Okay, now we should be able to generate this one. Oh yeah. What we need to do is to add the following statement. So int list remove, And we just simply remove this interface. If we run it again, we should not see that configuration here. Yay! Alright, so now the next thing that we would like to do is to use the command module. Sorry, the config module. I think this was the 7th one. Yeah. And I think we should also visit the documentation. So, by the way, this is the site for Jinja. This is going to link to your course. And what we would like to do here is to visit the send command. Great. So now we would like to use the following: vi 8 and shut it all down is equal to hosts run tasks is equal to the command not the commands. We need to import the networking here. It is already imported. netmiko send config. And let's just... How should we do this? So we have this template file. Where is it? It's a render string. And first, let's do this. So where is my home button? So shutdown is equal to result.split \r\n print shutdown. Let's see what happens here. So the idea is to split it into a list of strings and then send it via the netmiko send command. Alright, we are almost there. So head 8 and so Python, and we would like to import this one, this one, this one, this one, and simply say that our hosts are these ones, and we have our fact result, and we have our integer list or interface list, sorry. Come on, hurry. We remove this part, and then we are interested in this result. So here what we can do is to take the host to DC1 and take the first element and the result. Whoa, yeah. And we would like to split it via /n/n. What? What if we replace /n with /n with just simply /n? Great, and then split it by /n. Oh yeah, now we have something to work with. So basically this is what we would like to send to our command or devices via 8. Let me go send config, and the config commands are coming from this part. Voila! And this is the shut it all down. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. I forgot to remove the previous one. Sorry. Oh boy. And it is working. So now if we go back here, show ep int brief, do show ep int brief. Come on! You can see that everything is administratively down except the one that we are looking for. So basically this was all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.